Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video tackles a common trouble code, P0106. This code indicates a problem with your Manifold Absolute Pressure map sensor circuit. A faulty map sensor can cause rough idling, stalling, and decreased fuel efficiency. But don't worry, we can diagnose and potentially fix this ourselves in a few simple steps. The map sensor is a key part of your engine's management system. It measures the pressure of the air entering the engine, which helps the computer determine the optimal air-fuel mixture. A faulty map sensor can send incorrect readings. Before we begin, it's important to note that while this video offers a DIY approach, consulting a mechanic is always an option, especially if you're uncomfortable working on your car. Also, remember to refer to your car's specific repair manual for exact part locations and procedures. Black exhaust smoke, failure to start your engine, poor running performance, decreased fuel economy, malfunction indicator lamp illumination, error code P0108. Check for additional codes. A P0106 might appear with other trouble codes. Use an OBDI scanner to see if there are any clues. Inspect the map sensor and wiring. Locate the map sensor, usually on the intake manifold near the throttle body. Look for any physical damage, cracks, or grime. Also, check the wiring for cuts, frays, or loose connections. Now let's fixing the problem. Depending on the diagnosis, here are your options. Remove the sensor. Locate the MAF sensor. It's usually found in the air intake system, between the air filter box and the throttle body. It will be cylindrical in shape. If you can't find it, refer to your car's manual. Depending on your car, you might need to unscrew mounting bolts or loosen clamps holding the sensor in place. Install the new sensor. Here's especially important. Don't touch the sensitive sensor wire. Handle it with care to avoid damaging it. Follow the torque specifications for the screws or clamps when tightening them. Refer to the manual or online resources for your car. After the fix, clear the trouble code with your OBDI scanner and start the engine. If the problem was resolved, the code shouldn't reappear. However, if the code returns, consult a mechanic for further diagnosis. Remember, these are general steps. Always refer to your car's manual for specific instructions. By following these steps, you might just conquer the P0106 code and get your car running smoothly again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.